What's up, gang? Welcome back to Pretty Girl Gang TV, where we do nothing but conduct pretty girl business. Okay, it's your girl Jeanina here, and I am back with another video for you guys. And in today's video, I thought we would do a really fun unboxing, girl. The Colourpop mystery boxes are here. Okay, they're here, so I bought two of them. So I bought the medium-sized one, which is called the CP Confidential, and then I purchased the Mega Mystery Box, if that's what it's called. Okay, it's the biggest one they had, valued I think at like something crazy, $120 or something. But this is Colourpop. Okay, I feel like Colourpop has drugstore prices, but they do have some good makeup. Okay, so I purchased two of them. Here they go right here. Since I have two of the boxes here, I'm going to split this up into two videos. So this is going to be part one. Part one, I will unbox the CP Confidential. That's the medium-sized box. And then part two, I will link that in the cards, and I'll also link that video at the end of the video on the end screen. I'll link that as well. But part two will be the Mega Mystery Box, just because I don't want this video to be like super duper long. Okay, like there's no need for a video to be super duper long. We'll do them separately. So if you want to see the Mega Mystery Box, girl, go ahead and click on part two. So we'll go ahead and unbox part one, which is the CP Confidential first. Okay, so in order to get the price, I need to look at the receipt, which I have right here, because y'all, I purchased this. Let me tell you something about Colourpop. I haven't ordered anything from Colourpop in a really long time, but I see that their shipping stuff has like completely changed. When I purchased stuff from Colourpop in the past, I feel like the shipping was like regular. It wasn't too long, it wasn't too short. But this time, girl, it was really, really long. So I purchased this stuff August 18th, and today is the 3rd of September. Okay, and I actually got this yesterday in the mail, which would be the 2nd. So, I mean, like, Colourpop, what is going on? I mean, but I know that Colourpop is really popular and the girls love Colourpop. I mean, Colourpop is like a cult classic to some of these girls. But yeah, the shipping was really, really bad. So keep that in mind. For this CP Confidential box, which is the medium size, I got this for, I don't even remember. So I'll put the price up on the screen here. It doesn't say on my receipt how much they were, and frankly, since I purchased it in August and almost forgot about these mystery boxes until they came in the mail, okay, I don't remember either. Anyway, girl, let's go ahead and unbox this CP Confidential Colourpop mystery box. Run the footage, girl. So I did end up getting the cute pink mystery box packaging. Like I showed you guys, it says made in LA right there. It's completely light pink, super duper cute. It's giving me like CALI cosmetic vibes. So when you open it, this is how it looks. Okay, and then it's completely wrapped in bubble wrap, as you can see. Like, that's good, because there's supposed to be a lot of stuff in here. I will put the details on the screen somewhere over here, but definitely there was supposed to be like a lot of things in here, and like something new, I think. So I'm just taking stuff out, no particular order, girl. So the first thing I got here, Super Shock Cheek, and it is in the color Cheerio. It looks like a burgundy type of color. And what is a Super Shock Cheek? I'm guessing that is a blush or something like that. Really pretty color. I'll open up some of these so we can see like what the colors are looking like. Oh yeah, look. Like a nice burgundy color. Really pretty. I'm loving that, girl. If this is a blush, I mean, I'm guessing it is because it says Super Shock Cheek. Forgive me, you guys. I'm not really like I said, I don't have like Colourpop makeup, but this looks really nice. I'm gonna have to try that one. Next thing I have is a pressed glitter. So it looks like a single pressed glitter. It's in the shade 20F1, and that's how it looks. I'm not really a fan of like single eyeshadows or like single glitters, because I don't have a Z palette or anything to like hold this stuff in. So I'll probably give this one away or give it to my daughter or something. I have a lippy stick here. I didn't even know Colourpop had lippy sticks. Okay, so I'm guessing it's like one of those like crayon lipsticks. Oh no, look, okay. Okay, girl, you can tell that I am not hip to Colourpop, okay? But this looks like a really nice color. This is in the color Trust Me. Okay, so I feel like I'm living now. We got a mascara. It's called the Act Natural Defining Mascara from Colourpop, and it's in the color brown, surprisingly. So this is how the packaging looks here. And it's called Act Natural. That's cute. I wonder if it's meant to be like a natural mascara or something. And it's in the color brown. I don't have any brown mascaras. I'm kind of like a dark vampy girl, so I like black. But this is how the mascara looks. And it does look brown. I'm not going to swatch it, but it does look brown, so that's cool. I guess I have me a brown mascara. We got another lippy pencil here, and this one is in the shade Cool BFF. Okay, so one thing about these mystery boxes is that I get kind of anxious when they start giving us lippies and stuff because, you know, I am of a darker skin tone, so I need something that like is gonna match with my skin tone. Okay, so this is more of a lighter brown color, it looks like. Cool BFF. And this looks like a lip crown or something, like maybe like a lip liner. Yeah, it says lippy pencil, duh. Okay, so what am I thinking? So we got a lippy pencil. It might work on me, it might not, because I'm normally like a darker brown girl. But we'll try it out here. The next thing I got was a Comforting Moisture Booster by Fourth Ray Beauty, okay? It says Soothing Skin Sesh. So this is how it looks. Now, I don't have anything from Fourth Ray Beauty. I have stuff from Soul Body and then Pretty Fresh, which is also a Colourpop company, but not Fourth Ray. So it's an oat face milk. Let's see how it smells. I mean, it doesn't really have a smell. Let me see. Am I tripping? Yeah, so it doesn't really have a smell. I would expect it to smell kind of like, I don't know, an oat milky smell. So, I don't know, maybe this could be like a primer or something. When it comes to like skincare stuff, I don't think I would normally go with Colourpop. But I mean, we can test it out and see. Next thing I got was from Soul Body. Now, I like Soul Body, you guys. If you guys watch any of my videos, you guys know I've done some reviews on Soul Body. The Soul Body bronzing balms, I really like those. So, anything from Soul Body to me is like, I'm cool with. So, this is the Soul Body Shimmering Dry Oil. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys know I love to glow and stuff in the sun. And let's see, what color is this? Oh, look at it. So, I guess you shake it up, because obviously it's separated, and it's giving us like a rose gold. It's giving a rose gold color. What color is this? It says Paloma. Okay, let's test it out and see. Oh, it's quite liquidy. It smells really good. It smells like summer. I don't know if you guys can see because I feel like the glitters are pretty light. But it does feel really nice on my skin. It is giving me a nice glow. Okay, we can always use dry oils here in this house. I have plenty of them. I love my skin to be glowy and sexy and smelling good. So I can definitely get some use out of this. The next thing I have here is, it's called So Juicy. And it's a plumping gloss. And look at that packaging. Like, I swear, Colourpop, they come out with so many collections and so much packaging. It's like crazy. So the color is Beechwood. Okay, so there's the color there. It's like a nice brown tan color. I feel like this would look good on me. So far, I feel like my box was kind of like, it was a little tailored to me, okay? Like, that's the good thing about mystery boxes. You know, you never know what you're going to get. But I feel like this one is pretty good. So, this one is the Colourpop Medium Fluff Brush. So, that's the packaging on that. And it's a brush, okay? Oh, okay. It looks pretty nice. Maybe some like faux bristles. And this could probably be used for maybe like a placement of blush or Maybe even, I feel like bronzer. I feel like I can bronze pretty good with this brush. Or even under eye powder. Okay, so we got us a brush. We can always use brushes. Next thing is a BFF cream gel liner. And that's how that looks. And it doesn't say if it's from like Colourpop or Soul Body or anything like that. Look at the packaging. Look at the little stars on it. It's super cute. Okay, so it's like a pink. Getting down to the last two items in the box, you guys. I'm pulling out something that looks like a little, oh, it's a palette. Okay, so it's an Animal Crossing palette. Okay, so I did hear about this collection. This collection is fairly new. I've never really gotten to Animal Crossing. What about you guys? I never really got into that. This one is La Belle of the Ball. And that's how that looks. It looks like it has 4 different colors. Oh, and it's purple. So that's how it looks. Some really nice purple shades in there. And the last thing in this box is a Super Shock shadow. Okay, so this is the shadow, and it says it's in the color Birthday Wish. So that's how it looks there. Let me take it out of the box because I feel like I can't really see the color. Oh, it looks like a single eyeshadow. I'm not really into single eyeshadows, like I said, because I feel like I don't want to care. Ooh. Oh, but it's nice, honey. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see like the reflectance in it. It's really, really nice. It looks like it has, let's swatch it. It looks like it has a really nice, ooh. I like that. Okay, I don't know when the next time I'm gonna wear like some silvery metallic-y shadow, but when I do, I got this. Okay, girl, so that's it. That's all I got in this box. Now, that was the unboxing of the CP Confidential Colourpop Mystery Box. What are you guys thinking? What are you guys feeling about it? Like, to be honest, I'm really, really excited about the things that I got. The only thing that I feel like I'm not going to really use is the oat milk, the face stuff, because like I said, the skincare stuff, I'm really, really picky about skincare, and I don't think I'll be purchasing skincare from Colourpop. No offense, Colourpop, or you know what? No, it's not Colourpop. Was it 4th Ray? Yeah, 4th Ray Beauty. No offense, 4th Ray, okay? But I'm a little bit bougie when it comes to my skincare because I do have like acne and stuff like that. So the only thing I think I won't try is the oat milk. I'll probably give that to my daughter because her skin is like perfect. She can use anything on her skin. But all the other stuff I got, to be honest, I feel like the box was kind of tailored to me. Okay, because like I said, normally mystery boxes, you'll get like, I feel like some shades that really don't fit with me. At least my skin tone is a brown skin tone. I feel like they just throw in generic pinks and reds and things, but we actually got like some brown, some tan, some pinks. We got a red, you know, so it was like a variety of things, and I appreciated that. Okay, I feel like we got some pretty nice things. We also got a dry oil, and it looks like a full-size dry oil, unless Colourpop makes bigger size oils, but this is like probably my favorite thing. And also the mascara. I'm really into trying this mascara because I didn't even, who knew that Colourpop even had mascara, girl? Okay, who knew that? So anyway, this is the unboxing of the Colourpop CP Confidential. If you guys want to see the mega box, click on this video right here. Okay, part 2. Go to part 2, girl.